Hey guys, I hope you're all well. So today I'm here with a little brand collection review kind of video. Today I am here to run you through the brand new XL Plus collection from Do You Even? Now before I get into this glorious, mysterious box, which I've not opened yet, I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Do You Even? So number one, thank you so much guys for reaching out to me for this video. I'm so excited. But also I do have my own affiliate link, which means that I earn a little bit of commission on every sale that I make, but it gives you guys 10% off. I'm really excited, and I'm really excited to get into this box. So without blabbing on anymore, let's get in, have a look at this collection. So I'm not going to read the whole little message on the front of the box, but it's really cute and it's basically explaining the idea behind this range, which is really nice. And it mainly just says that the range was inspired by women that push themselves to excel. So I think we should just get in. Cute little sticker. Oh wow, look at it all. So I've got a little handwritten note. Hey Marnie, meet the new and improved XL Plus. Unleash your inner animal. Get in touch with your inner chai? Take all that built up energy and harness it into an epic workout. We can't wait to see you in the new range. Team DYE. How cute is this? So first up, I've got a couple items in the grey cheetah print. I didn't realise this was cheetah print. I thought it was just all speckled. But then I've got a blue one coming up and that just looks speckled. Yep, ocean speckle. I'm so intrigued. Okay, so here I've got the XL Plus shorts in an extra small. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever seen a pattern like this before. Not in real life anyway. Guys, how cute are they? Oh, they've got little pockets in the side. They actually look a really nice length. Wow, okay, I'm really impressed with the quality. These feel very nice. Interested to see how squat proof they are, because obviously they are white and bright and light, but these look gorgeous. Oh wow, okay, I can see myself wearing these a lot. Like, I'm a little bit funny when it comes to animal print and cheetah print, but because this is such like a light colour, it's my cup of tea. Then I've got the firm crop to go with, and this is the one with the wider straps, which I think this always looks so flattering on people. I do like thinner strapped things, but you just can't go wrong with thicker strap because they're more supportive and often they're more comfortable depending on the brand. So I'm very intrigued. This is gorgeous. Oh wow, wow, wow. I love this. I really love this. The first thing I noticed, if I'm completely honest, is this seam down the front here is a little bit tight. You could have a little bit of issues with the camel department, but for me I really don't think it is an issue, especially with a pattern like this. I think the shorts come up pretty high. Like, usually things come up to about here on me. I feel like the shorts are a really nice length. I feel really good in them. I'm really, really happy. Very happy with these. And as for the bra, just beautiful. I love the shape of it. It's really nice and supportive. And the back is cute. And yeah, I just love the pattern on this, and I love that from far away it obviously just looks quite subtle and just bright, but up close, such a pretty set. I can see myself wearing this a lot. This is cute. And then lastly, in the same print, I've got the sculpt crop, which is the other version of bra, the one with the thinner straps, and this one's got a cross back, which looks really nice. And these straps and the whole material just feels really, really soft. Oh, that is actually so nice. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, the shape on this one is even nicer than I thought it would be. I love the fact that these straps are thin, but they're wide. They're not like string straps, if that makes sense, because it makes it really comfortable. Obviously this one is lower cut and lower impact, but it still feels really secure and just like it fits right. Just so pretty. Next up, we've got a little pop of blue, and this is the XL Plus leggings in Ocean Speckle, extra small. All of this is an extra small. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This is like unlike anything I've ever picked up before or like usually would pick up. It's quite different for me, but it's so pretty. Can we see that? I feel like these leggings paired with just a plain white or black top would look really nice as well. That is so unique. And the design of it looks really nice too. It's got stitching up the sides of the waist, so I feel like it's going to be quite sculpting, I guess is the word. And this is the bra I have to go with the leggings, so it's the firm crop again. And also, I don't know if I mentioned it in the last one, but you've got that peekaboo hole in the back. Just like a really classic, nice racer back style bra. I'm really excited about this. So different. And all the logoing feels really nice quality, like it's not going to come off in the wash after a few washes. So how cute is this set? Oh my gosh. I actually like it more than I thought I would, because I'm just really not used to patterns, to be honest, and any patterns that I do wear, they're very subtle. So for me, although it's like not that in your face, for me it is, but I think it's really cute. And because it's blue, it's not like an overly, bam, like bright green or orange or red kind of colour, or pink maybe. For me, I find it a little bit easier. I don't think these are the kinds of leggings that you really like hoik up your bum. I know that there's a lot of us out there that like to do that because it's, for me, I find more comfortable, but also more flattering. It kind of sculpts your body more. It just makes you feel good about yourself, you know? I'm sure you feel me if you do it. Or if you've seen other people do it, you know what I'm talking about. Certain leggings are just naturally do that, or very easy to do that with. And these are the kinds of leggings that you can't really do that with. They just sit kind of naturally where any leggings sit, which is flattering. But having said that, it's not an issue for me at all. I think this is such a cute set, and the length of the leggings as well is perfect for me. I'm 5'3", and it just sits perfectly to show a little bit of your leg above your ankle, which I think is really pretty. I also completely, oh, these have pockets too. I also completely forgot to say that the white and grey shorts are squat proof. As much as I can tell, they're 100% squat proof, which is insane. And of course these are too, so yeah. And this bra as well, I just love the shape of it. You could probably even fold it up if you wanted it a bit smaller. Very flattering, very comfortable and soft. I'm really impressed with the quality so far. I also have some little scrunchies to go with to match the blue set. These are really cute. Yes. We also have some resistance bands, which you can never have enough of, I swear. And in there we just have 3 of the bands to match the patterns of the collection. I'm guessing it's all just small, medium, large kind of thing. Have a feel. Oh wow. These feel good, you know. I'm pretty sure that the pink is the light. This is such a cute pattern. Then you've got the blue, which is medium, black/white is heavy. How cute are these patterns together? It's such a nice collection. I've not really seen anything like this before by another brand. And lastly in the box we have a DYE wash bag, small 2-pack. And these, I suppose, are just for when you wash your gym wear, to help protect them. That is so cool. That's such a good idea. I'm actually going to be doing this and see if I notice a difference. Love that. Also, this could help prevent the cups in bras like moving around maybe. You know, sometimes you get a bra out of the wash and the cup is like done a 180 and like gone to the moon and didn't come back, so this might help. So that is everything for this Do You Even haul, try on collection review of the brand new XL Plus range. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I've never done a Do You Even haul before, and honestly I'm so pumped about the white set. That really has my heart. I think this one's gorgeous too, definitely, but there's something about that white set that is just blowing me away. So like I said at the start of this video, I do have a 10% off link, which I'll leave down below if you'd like to use it and get that 10% off. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you did enjoy it. I really appreciate it, and Subscribe if you're new. Check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. It's just marniehere with an extra E. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you again, Do You Even, for collaborating with me on this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon.